Hey there, I'm Tim, and I'm here to provide you with some handy tips for your Lawnmaster outdoor power equipment. Today, let's talk about stale fuel and how it affects your Lawnmaster mower engine. If your lawnmower is hard to start after the winter, stale fuel could be the cause. It's important to keep fresh petrol in both your mower and fuel can. Over time, the additives that boost fuel's octane evaporate, especially if the fuel is stored in fluctuating temperatures. We recommend not using petrol older than 3 months. Top tip, leave minimal fuel in your mower when storing it over the winter. And if your fuel can is over 3 months old, use it in your car instead. Water in fuel is a common issue for mowers with starting or running problems. Temperature changes can cause condensation in fuel cans, and just a drop of water can block the carburetor, making the engine hard to start or causing it to cut out. Fuel in New Zealand also contains ethanol, which absorbs moisture from the air. To avoid issues, don't store your fuel or mower in areas that get very hot. If fuel sits too long in the carburetor, it separates and turns to sludge, which can be tough to clean and may even require replacing the carburetor. If storing your mower for extended periods, run it until the fuel runs out or use a fuel stabilizer to extend the petrol's life up to a year. Thanks for joining us at Lawnmaster, your trusted partner in mastering New Zealand backyards since 1946. For more informative videos, be sure to visit us at lawnmaster.co.nz. Your outdoor power solutions start here.